Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove the Hyundai Accent back seat. Start by folding the rear seat back forward and clearing the footwell. Locate the two visible 14mm bolts at the front of the cushion and remove them. Press the release tabs on each side while lifting straight up to disengage rear clips. Work slowly to avoid scratching trim and keep bolts in a small container for reinstallation later. Begin by peeling back the plastic trim at the bottom of the seat back to expose the bolts. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 3 hinge bolts while supporting the seat back. Once bolts are out, tilt the seat back forward a few inches to disengage the hinge pins. Carefully lift the seat back up and out through the rear door opening to avoid catching the headrests on trim pieces or seat belts. If you're finding this guide helpful, subscribe and like to show support and get more tips. Quick recommendation: grab an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated while working on your Accent. It's leak-resistant and fits cup holders, perfect for grease-free sips. I've linked it in the description along with other useful deals, so check that out if interested. And now let's get back to the video. If your model has a belt anchor on the seat, remove the mounting bolt and move the belt aside. Look under the cushion for any wiring connectors for occupancy sensors and unplug them gently. Keep all bolts, clips, and washers together and note their positions. When reinstalling, loosely thread bolts first, align seats properly, then torque bolts evenly to ensure a snug, rattle-free fit and proper belt function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.